Hello Vanagon addicts, it's Ken Wilford here at Vanagon. I just wanted to show you another new 3D printed thing that we just made. So sometimes we will get airflow meters, the 2.1 version, the Digifant version, the cover is missing, okay? And so we have, my daughter has actually created a 3D printed replacement. Okay, so if you find that yourself in that situation where you have lost the cover to this because somebody opened it and messed with it, then we have got you covered. We did the ones for all the earlier vans also and the buses, so I'm going to put both of these on our website so that you guys can buy them, and hopefully that'll help you guys out. So I just wanted to let you know about this product and let me know what you guys think. All right, have a great one, guys, and see you on the next video.